The first witnesses took the stand today in the federal trial of Lucas County Sheriff James Telb and 3 co-defendants. They were accused of causing the death of an inmate in 2004, then covering up the crime. Fox Toledo's Kevin Milliken is following the trial. He's live with the day's events.
The trial is getting tense quickly because those witnesses are testifying against their bosses. But a deputy recounted the events he saw firsthand that federal prosecutors contend killed 25-year-old capital murder suspect Carlton Benton. Jurors toured the Lucas County Jail this morning, including the second-floor medical unit where corrections officers took an inmate after he got out of the hospital. They even looked inside the cell where prosecutors allege a sergeant put the inmate in a sleeper hold until he lost consciousness. A deputy testified he tried to remove handcuffs and leg irons from Carlton Benton that fateful day, but the inmate began squirming to the point where it became impossible. The deputy told jurors he was backing out of the cell to let Benton settle down when a jail sergeant went in and put the inmate in a chokehold. The deputy stated Benton began gasping for air and making choking sounds, and his body went limp. That's when he and another deputy told the sergeant to let Benton go, but the sergeant maintained the sleeper hold until Benton passed out. Another corrections officer testified she discovered Benton laying unconscious when she made rounds. She and other officers started CPR and called paramedics, who took Benton back to the hospital, where he died a day later. Now, the deputy also testified he was ordered to write a report, but not to include what had occurred with the sleeper hold. The jury also saw a video where another man on trial shoved Benton to the ground while he was shackled and handcuffed, landing face first on a concrete floor. He and the sergeant are charged with violating Benton's civil rights. Reporting live, Kevin Milliken, Fox Toledo News.